Hello friends, we are celebrating the World Continence Week and I am Dr. Ashish Pardeshi, consultant urologist at Kidney and Urology Super Specialty Clinic, Hadapsar, Pune. The word continence means control, and here we are talking about urinary control. I compare the urinary bladder with our heart. Both these organs are pumping organs and they pump fluid at rhythmic intervals. The uniqueness about the bladder is that it is somewhat under voluntary control and it functions in a very rhythmic manner. It has two functions, primarily filling and emptying. And whenever there is a problem in either of these two functions or both, it causes leakage of urine at undesired time and undesired place. This is what exactly is the definition of incontinence. We are going to basically speak about overactive bladder, which is a filling dysfunction of the bladder and causes incontinence. What is overactive bladder? Overactive bladder is a bladder wherein the bladder muscle, which is called as a detrusor, contracts at a time when it is not supposed to contract, or it becomes too active and loses its normal rhythm to store urine for a particular time. And that is what we define as overactive bladder. There are various causes for overactive bladder. The primarily is infection. Whenever the bladder has an infection or inflammation, it undergoes hyperactivity, and that is when the bladder starts contracting at undesired time, causing leakage of urine. The other important causes being other diseases like tuberculosis, spinal cord problems, brain problems. All these issues are those wherein the rhythm or the circuit of the nerve circuit of the bladder is disturbed and the bladder loses the ability, the brain's ability to control it. It is a very annoying, frustrating, and agonizing dysfunction because the person's social life goes at a toss. It is our responsibility as urologists to treat this particular problem and improve the quality of life of such patients. Various good medications are available for treatment of overactive bladder. The person, if he has the symptoms of overactivity and leakage of urine, should consult his nearest urologist immediately so that he can get the benefit of the recent medications like solifenacin and mirabegron, which are available, and they can treat overactivity in a very easy manner. People who do not respond to medications are then required to go for further procedures to control the overactivity. One being injection of intravesical Botox, that we inject this botulinum toxin into the bladder muscle, which slows down the bladder contractions. Or there are other surgical maneuvers like sacral neuromodulation. The message I want to give to all my people is that overactive bladder and the incontinence which is caused because of it can be completely treated and your life can become as normal as before, provided you seek treatment from the urologist at the right time. Thank you.